Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you gonna learn how to make your own oatmeal at home. It's easy to make, and so delicious. So give us a thumbs up, and keep watching. Step number 1, you will choose your base. Like, some steel cut, rolled, or instant. Step number 2, pick something sweet, like banana, apple, mango, berries, dates, pineapple, orange, pomegranate, or kiwi. Step number 3, select a milk, like a hemp milk, rice milk, hazelnut milk, oat milk, almond milk, or soy milk. Step number 4, add some fats, like nut butter, flax seeds, coconut, chocolate nibs, pumpkin seeds, cashews, almonds, chia, walnuts, or hemp seeds. And step number 5, finish with some extras, like cocoa, ginger, protein powder, matcha, maca, or turmeric. Oatmeal is full of positives. It is loaded with fiber, vitamins, minerals, and is a healthy carb, keeping you full and satisfied longer. A big bowl of oatmeal is so comforting, especially in the winter time. Luckily, you can easily create oatmeals. Try different combinations every time so it won't become boring. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.